Stockfish or fish casserole, it's a one-dish comforting meal.
Dobrodošli, I'm Adrian and this is another dish from my Slovenian kitchen. So you're going to need olive oil, spinach, parsley, potatoes, garlic cloves, vegetable cube, 2 pieces of cod, and Parmesan cheese. And paprika. So add some olive oil, fry up your spinach, garlic, and parsley. Bit of salt and pepper. So only fry it for about a minute, just to get some wilting happening. Put your cube in the cup and dissolve it in hot water. The thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of this liquid down into my pot. I'm going to layer it with potatoes. Potatoes down. Salt my potatoes. I'm going to put some fish. A couple of things of fish in stock. Over the fish, some of my chopped spinach and garlic, now potatoes. Season the potatoes always with salt and with pepper, and I like to put a little bit of paprika. Just gives it that extra smokiness. Now we're going to put some fish down, garlic and onions. Stock, more potatoes, pepper and paprika.
Continue layering until you use up all your ingredients. To finish, sprinkle about half a cup of Parmesan cheese.
Cover with foil. Bake at 375 for 1 hour. Uncover for the last 15 minutes.
And bake until golden brown. Sprinkle with parsley and enjoy.
Delicious.